Namaskar, I'm Gogi from How to Do It. Today we are going to talking about this Pinaton Wi-Fi hotspot dongle, that how we can easily change the admin password of this dongle. Many time it happens that we share our Wi-Fi password with anyone and they keep on changing the Wi-Fi password or blocking you from using the internet by just logging into admin panel, because by default its password is just admin. But if we want to change that, how we can easily do so and how we can easily do that, first of all requesting you like the video and subscribe this channel so that we can tell you more about this video and more about this dongle. If you want to check, please go in the description below. Over there you will find many videos, and as you can check out our mosque. Now what we have to do, we have to just go to the mobile phone or laptop or computer, wherever we have already connected this dongle via Wi-Fi. As you can check out, we are just connecting this on our laptop. And if you want to do same process on your mobile phone, don't worry, don't hesitate, the process will be same on all the devices. I'm just going to log in into login panel, and after that we have to change. First of all, connect the Wi-Fi, and after that go to the internet browser, and over there you have to just type 192.168.0.1, and after that press enter. And after that, as you can check out, we will see panels or options like this. There will be asked about the username and password, that is by default in small letters, that is ADMIN admin, and the same in the password section, and press on the login button. After that you have to do a thing that you have to just go to the management option over there, and after clicking on the management option you have to just go to the system admins. And when you go on the system admin, it will ask you about the current password, that is by default in small letters admin ADMIN. And after that you want to change the new password, enter the new password and confirm the same with the same password and click on apply, and voila, success, you have got changed your Wi-Fi admin password or dongle hotspot admin password. If you like this video and understand that how we can do so, don't forget to like, share with your family and friends, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for get more videos like this. Be with us, keep learning how to do it.